Today, we're going to dive into a new project that's trying to change the game when it comes to our planet's environmental challenges. It's called GreenScope, and it's all about turning a flood of data into real, on-the-ground action.
You know, we see it all the time, right? Images of climate change, deforestation. We can see the problem so clearly. But here's the thing. Seeing isn't the same as solving. The big question is, do we actually have the skills to turn all that information into action that makes a difference? To even start to answer that, let's first look at the incredible tech we have. I mean, these are tools that are literally putting our entire planet under a microscope. First up, we've got Earth Observation, or EO for short. Honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like a planet-wide health checkup, but done from space. We have satellites constantly pinging back data on everything from our forests to our oceans, giving us this amazing big-picture view of our world's health.
And then there's LiDAR. This is where things get crazy precise. LiDAR uses laser pulses to create these super detailed 3D maps of the Earth. It's so accurate you can measure tiny changes in forest density or map out floodplains. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting. This whole Earth observation market, it's set to be worth almost 6 billion euros by 2033. That's huge. But, and it's a big but, all that opportunity just sits there unless we have people who actually know what to do with all this data. And that's the problem we're facing, a massive skills gap.
So, how in the world do we close that gap? You've got this incredible technology on one side, and this need for skilled people on the other. Well, that's exactly where this new initiative comes into play.
And here it is, GreenScope. It's a really ambitious project, and it's got the backing of the European Union's Erasmus Plus program. Its mission sounds simple, but it's so important: to build an educational toolkit that trains the next generation to use all this EO and LiDAR data to solve actual environmental problems.
And they're not doing this alone. GreenScope is a huge European partnership. It's bringing together universities and experts from 5 different countries. This means they're building this thing with a ton of different perspectives so it can be used in all kinds of different situations.
Okay, so how is GreenScope actually going to build these skills? Well, the whole idea is built around a practical, learn-by-doing approach.
Their method is super clear. First, they're creating a top-notch curriculum and making it totally free for everyone through a massive open online course, or MOOC. Then they train the teachers. After that, and this is the coolest part, they run these innovation labs where students get to tackle real environmental challenges. And finally, everything, all the tools, all the lessons learned, is shared openly for anyone to use.
This quote really just nails the whole philosophy of the project. It's not about reading a textbook, it's about getting your hands dirty with real data, solving real problems. That's the kind of experience that actually prepares you for a job.
So, who is this actually for? Well, GreenScope is really designed to benefit a few key groups, creating this powerful ecosystem where everyone gets something valuable out of it.
If you're at a university, this is basically a ready-made package. You can plug this innovative curriculum right into your programs to seriously boost your digital and green teaching, making your graduates that much more ready for the workforce.
For those of you in the private sector, especially in geospatial or environmental fields, this is a golden opportunity. You can work directly with students on challenges your company is facing, and you get a sneak peek at the next wave of talent coming through the pipeline. And for nonprofits and NGOs, GreenScope is a treasure trove. You get access to open data, new tools, and a pool of smart, motivated students who are eager to help you advance your environmental mission.
So, by closing this gap between amazing data and real-world action, GreenScope is creating a direct pipeline of future problem solvers. It's empowering everybody: students, teachers, companies, and organizations. So I guess the only question left is, how will you be a part of it?